Hello, this is Amelia from Thesis Video Tutorials with another video for the WordPress Beginner Basics series, and today we're going to have a look or start looking at links. So we can add links to our site, and the kind of links you may want to use are, say, links to another website, a link to possibly someone's Twitter account, or maybe even to your Twitter account or to your Facebook page. So it's a link that goes somewhere else on the internet, and you can add those into WordPress. Now, when you display those links, they're usually displayed via a widget. Now, a widget is something that you can add onto your sidebar of your site, and it displays some additional information that you can't generally add in a blog post or a page. So I'll show you the one that's on the default 2011 theme, and it's just here, this Blogroll here. So this is a category or a link widget which will display our links. So these are the ones that come with the default WordPress installation. Now, to access these, you just need to go to the link tab and to all links. You can either click on the link tab or you can click on the all links link. And this will take us to the main area of our links where we can see all the links that we currently have on our site. Now, I'll go through a bit of a tour for you just so you know where everything is. The first thing here we have is the Screen Options tab, and if you click on that tab, you will see a little drop down box, and this is where you can select to display what appears in this table here. So if you don't wish to see the rating, for instance, you can uncheck it to hide it, and you'll see that it disappears. The next tab here is the Help tab, and this is documentation specific for the links page. And so we've got an overview there, and we've got some information about deleting links, and there's also the documentation and the support forums. So they're available to you if you become stuck. Now, on the left hand side here, we've got the Add New. So this is where you would go and add a new link. So it'll take you to the area where you would add a new link. You've also got down below here the bulk action. So this allows you to delete multiple links that you don't want to have on your site anymore. Now, to delete all of them, you would check all of these using this little radio button in this tab here on this bar here. You would select delete and apply. Okay, and if you're looking to possibly just delete a few things here, we would just select them, do delete and apply, but we're not going to delete anything here yet. We have the filter, so we can view all categories, or we can view via the categories we have created. Now, we haven't created any categories yet, but you can do that, and you can then filter through the category that you select here and just press filter. On the right side here, we have search links, so you can search for a particular link. So say, for instance, we click in search and it'll show up the suggest ideas. Okay, so that's how we would use the search feature. Down below here we have this bar here, and you'll notice there's all these little arrows appear when I hover over. These are also known as filters, so we can filter or sort via the name, and this would go alphabetically from A to Z. If you clicked it again, it will go from Z to A. Okay, the URL is exactly the same, where it sorts the URL by A to Z or Z to A, whichever one you click. We've got the categories here, so if we had more than one category, we would be able to sort by categories, again A to Z or Z to A. Same with relationship. I won't go into relationships just yet, but I will do in another video. Visible, we can sort whether they're visible, so yes or no would be the ones we sort through, and we've got a rating there. I'm still a little bit unsure with what the rating is. I think it's very theme specific, and it's something that you can use yourself. So maybe this is something you can just use to organize your particular links based on a rating. But I haven't seen how it's used in the 2011. Maybe someone here can leave a comment if you know how that's used. So we have all the links here, and we have the link itself, and if we clicked on that, we would go into the edit area where we can edit the link. Same here as we've got the edit link here, where we go into editing and delete, so we can delete the link itself. We have the link itself, so what it's linking to. So we can actually visit the link that we have that's assigned to this documentation link. And then we've got the Blogroll, so that's just categorizing via the Blogroll. All right, so I think that is it. If you had more than I'm not sure by default how many links it is, but if you had more than a particular amount of links, you would then see some page numbers here, just to indicate that you've got a few pages worth of links to have a look at. So I will leave this here, and in the next video we will go through adding a new link. So I will see you then. Okay, bye.